Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by linking the accounts and granting access so data can flow. First, make sure your Shopify plan and Amazon seller account are ready. You need API access and a professional seller central. Once you have credentials, install the Amazon Sales Channel or a vetted connector app in Shopify and enter the SBAPI or MWS keys. This step is about connectivity and permissions. It prevents sync errors later and lets you map products securely between platforms. Now you map products and define synchronization rules so listings behave predictably. You should match SKUs and choose whether Shopify or Amazon is the inventory source. Once decided, configure price rules, shipping templates, tax settings, and sync cadence. Make sure product titles, descriptions, and images meet Amazon requirements, and assign the correct Amazon categories to avoid listing suppression. This is the detailed execution phase. Accurate mapping here avoids delisted products and mismatched stock once orders start flowing. You complete setup by pushing a controlled launch and watching system behavior closely. Enable live sync for a subset or single product and place a test order to confirm orders, inventory, and fulfillment updates cross correctly. If issues appear, check the app's error logs for ASIN conflicts, missing GTIN or SKU mismatches, then correct mappings or product data and reprocess. One troubleshooting tip: when listings fail, revert to a single product test. Fix the SKU/GTIN or brand metadata, then relaunch to avoid widespread errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.